Chandigarh University, established in 2012, has two campuses, one in Chandigarh and one in Lucknow. Our focus today is on the Chandigarh campus, which has received an overall rating of 4.2 out of 5 stars from students on Shiksha.com. How is the BCom course here? Let's find out in this detailed review, starting with its placements rated 4 out of 5 stars. According to the 2024 NIRF report, 3,246 students graduated from the 4-year UG program in 2022-23. Of these, 2,641 students, or 81%, secured placements, while 605 students, or 19%, opted for higher studies. As per students, top recruiters include Accenture, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, PwC, Aditya Birla, Yulo EdTech Private Limited, and IGRDO Private Limited, to name a few. Top roles offered include Financial Analyst, Business Development Associate, System Associate, as well as positions in accounting, taxation, and auditing. The highest salary package reported by students exceeded 25 lakh per annum, while the median salary for 2023 as per NIRF stood at 7.5 lakh per annum, marking a 10% increase from 2021. In comparison, Lovely Professional University offers similar median salary packages. Regarding internships, students are eligible from the 3rd semester onwards, with many receiving on-campus opportunities. Moving on now to academics, where the institute offers a 4.1 star rated BCom Honours program with 5 specializations, including Advanced Cost and Management, Auditing and Taxation, and E-commerce. Students have the option to exit after 3 years with a BCom degree. Additionally, a BCom program is available in collaboration with Association of Chartered Certified Accountants. A 5-year integrated 4.1 rated BCom plus LLB Honours program is also offered. Meanwhile, eligibility requires 50 to 60% marks in 10+2, with admissions based on CUET entrance scores. As for the cost, the annual course fees ranges from 80,000 rupees to 1.02 lakhs depending on the specialization, while hostel fees ranges from 1.06 lakhs to 2.1 lakh annually. Scholarships are available as fee waivers based on merit and sports achievements. Moving on now to the 4.3 rated infrastructure. Located on National Highway 5, Chandigarh-Ludhiana Highway in Mohali, Punjab, the university spans 250 acres and enjoys excellent connectivity by road, rail, and air. The campus is widely appreciated by students for its modern infrastructure, featuring Wi-Fi-enabled ICT-driven smart classrooms, air-conditioned computer and business simulation labs, a library, and well-equipped seminar halls and auditoriums. There are separate hostels for boys and girls, offer various sharing options, optional AC facilities, and amenities such as well-equipped gyms, study rooms, and recreation areas. Dining options include popular outlets like Subway and Domino's, alongside the tuck shops providing groceries, snacks, and branded university merchandise. Both the hostel and dining facilities are highly rated by the students. Sports enthusiasts can explore various indoor and outdoor sports options, including kickboxing, rowing, basketball, cricket, weightlifting, rollball, and more. Additionally, the campus is equipped with on-site medical facilities. Turning our attention to faculty and course rated 4.1 stars. Students praise the supportive faculty and curriculum, which features a flexible choice-based credit system integrated with case study and research-based learning. Industry exposure is enhanced through professors of practice who are professionals from organizations like PwC, and Hanu Insight and teach students alongside workshops on overseas accounting, e-filing, and financial derivatives, ensuring students are market ready. The program also offers substantial research opportunities, including innovations in faster bank transactions and loan risk determination. Meanwhile, study abroad opportunities in Australia and New Zealand further enrich the academic experience, providing a global exposure. Moving on now to campus life rated 4.3. Chandigarh University offers student clubs in fine arts, adventure, soft skills, dramatics, and departmental societies, providing platforms for talent showcase. Events like CU Rhythms, the International Folklore Festival, cultural celebrations, live concerts, sports, and literary fests are highly anticipated. Regular youth summits, expert talks, and conferences and workshops prepare students for competitive industry needs. Lastly, Chandigarh University is ranked 32nd in the NIRF overall category and 28th in the NIRF University category for 2024. For more details on Chandigarh University and to check out thousands of courses and college reviews, download the Shiksha.com app now. We would like to hear from you, so do drop in a comment below and don't forget to like and share this video.